Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the TecNiq 60-inch long slim weatherproof white LED boat strip light in its black aluminum housing. Now this is a nice low profile LED strip light that'll produce a nice bright white light for marine applications like on your pontoons or your speedboats. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see a better look at it. It has a nice weatherproof casing on it, protects the LEDs against dirt, dust, and water. And they use premium LEDs, which are energy efficient, long lasting, and vibration resistant. They are rated for up to 50,000 hours of operation. And this is constructed using military grade construction of a circuit board. Gives you urethane potting, which offers better protection than the common epoxy potting. And you can see this is all in a nice black aluminum housing with the sealed end caps. If I go to the end here, you can see they have a, oops, let's go to the other end right over here. You can see there's a sealed end cap on them on both ends. Now this also is a nice clear lens, over 36 white LEDs, and this is compatible with 12 volt DC systems. Now what's nice on this one, if you notice on each end, they do have the dual wires on both ends. And the reason they do that is it allows this light to be linked continuously between two other lights. And when you do install this, it does hardwire to your application. In other words, the two wires on each end, they go to a power and a ground. The wire length on those wires are about 9 inches. Now to install this, it does easily mount using snap-on clips, which we do sell separately on our website. We do list them on this product page as a related product. And I happen to pull, there's 3 different clips you can use. That gives you 3 different mounting angles. And we're going to go through all of them. I just want to give you an idea what the clips look like and how they attach. But this one is a flat clip, so it'll give you a flat mount. This one here is a perpendicular or 90-degree clip. So you can see there's holes in it where the screw goes in. So when it mounts it, that'll hold it at 90 degrees. This one will hold it flat. And then the last one is a 45-degree mount. If you notice how it angles at a 45 degrees, so when you put your screw in and mount it down, it'll hold the light at a 45-degree angle. And the way they just snap on, they're very simple. You just put the clip on the back here, snap it in place, and you can see allows it to slide. And there's a screw hole, and you can slide it right off. And if you do the perpendicular one, that same clips on same way. You can clip it with the mount up at the top, or you can take it off and clip it with the mount at the bottom. But it does hold it at 90 degrees. And then the last one is the 45-degree angle one. And again, if you notice, it'll clip on the same way. And again, when it's mounted flat, it holds the light at a 45-degree angle. And again, those clips are all sold separately on our website. And they do recommend on a length strip like this is 4 mounting clips per strip to hold it into place. Now dimensions on this one from one end to the other is right at 60 inches long. The width of it is a 1/2 inch wide, thickness is only 1/4 inch. Light output on this is 1,548 lumens, input voltage of 9 volts to 14 volts. And what I'm going to do is hook this up to some 12 volt power just so you can see how bright the light is. So we'll hook up our power and our ground. And once we get it hooked up, go ahead and turn on our 12 volt power. And you can see with it turned on, go ahead and turn off the overhead lights. And you can see with this long light how bright the light is. The area it lights up, it almost lights up this whole area. Very low profile design. We'll go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights. Go ahead and turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this TecNiq 60-inch long, slim, weatherproof white LED boat strip light in the black aluminum housing.